nagdiwang ang ating mga kababayan when a Filipino, Eric Spoelstra, was named head coach of the Miami Heat. At nagdiwang naman po ang mga fans ng Miami Heat nang this year, before the start of the season, the Heat franchise acquired Chris Bosh and, of course, LeBron James. So the big three, Dwayne Wade, LeBron James, Chris Bosh, ang nangyari, ang resulta, 9-8 po ang standing nila ngayon sa NBA. 9 wins, 8 losses. At dahil daw dito, mukhang nanganganib mawala ng trabaho ang ating kababayang NBA coach na si Eric Spoelstra. Ito naman ang pahayag ni Dwayne Wade.
You can go anywhere on Friday when a team losing. There's always something. You look for anything. So, it's not nothing that I came accustomed to in the NBA. You know, when you go through stretches where you're not playing up to your capability or your caliber, it's always something wrong. It's always a problem. It's always a big problem. So, not nothing that, we're concerned with inside of here.
Also, last weekend, nagkaroon naman po ng laban si Juan Manuel Marquez versus Michael Katsidis. Marquez now calling out Manny Pacquiao. Speaking of Manny Pacquiao, not too long ago, he fought in Dallas kung saan napakarami pong mga artistang sumuporta sa kanya. One of them was Casey Montero, and here's what Casey had to say. Back in the Philippines, you're back there. Can you tell your fans what you've been doing?
Well, actually, I'm on Party Filipinas on Sundays on GMA, and then I have a TV show on TV5 called Tech Trip. And then starting on the 29th, I am going to be the brand new DJ on Wave 891. It is the very first time they've ever had a talk show, and they've given me the keys to the shop and basically said, Casey, you can take care of our station.
And what are you going to be talking about on that show?
Whatever is going on around the world, sports, entertainment, music. It's going to be a really good time for everybody. So that's starting November 29th, 8 to 11 a.m. You can also catch it online. Just Google it. You'll figure it out.
All right. Congratulations on that gig and good luck.
Thank you.
Power. And from Coach Eric Spoelstra to Manny Pacquiao, Pinoy pride at its best. Of course, ngayon naman, Radio Disney's next big thing could be a Filipina. Meet her when we return. Don't go away.
Ang Kababayan LA ay hatid sa inyo ng McDonald's. Anong mga bagong McCafe Espresso drinks? McDonald's na ba ang inyong bagong coffee house? Ang mga bagong McCafe Espresso drinks ay mabilis, masarap at mas mura pa. Kahit saan, kahit kailan.